Hello guys, how to be here, and today I will show you how you will make a pregnant of your phone. Your phone will be pregnant. Uh, just remember the name. This is the LG V20, and I am using this device around over 2 years. And this has been a really great journey. But the thing is, when I once changed the battery, everything's just falling apart. I used to change my battery very rare, but this device I had to change it as the battery got too much old and can't be capable to start, or can't even charge. So I must have to change the batteries, and I bought the battery around 1 month, 1.5 months ago, and then the things actually happened. And the thing is, I just charged overnight the battery, the phone, and the battery looks like this. Just hold for a moment, I'll reveal this. Well, as you can see, the battery actually look like this. So as I told earlier, the device is LG, and this is one of the most common problem of LG device. Like, you have to charge the device carefully. Don't overcharge it, or don't plug in the charger like overnight, and it will make this happen. As you can see, this is very big, and I don't know how you can see this. You can feel this. You can feel it now. Like, look at this. This is not even normal device battery. So you have to be very careful about this. Don't overcharge the overnight. Charge the phone overnight, or charge the device overnight, and it will make your battery like this. Or most of the LG devices are actually this type of problem. Like, if your original battery is with this device, there will not be that much fluffy. As you can see, this is huge. This is just like a drum. And once I noticed, when I woke up in the morning, this back shell just popping off, and this back shell popping off like boom. And this is what make the things more funny. Like, what just happened? I thought my device gone burst, but not like that. It didn't burst, but it actually fell off the back shell. And yes, this was the reason. And I'm actually very much scared to hold the battery, but I don't think it will do much. And I'll give it a dump, but just to let you know, don't charge the device overnight, and it will make this happen, and your phone will be just pregnant. And I have to use the phone because of my other purpose, but I used very carefully. If it make a burst, then what will happen? Well, I just changed my battery, and it is still working fine, so that is cool. That's all from today, guys. Hope you all enjoy the video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and hope see you all soon in the next video. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.